Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I headed in for some household needs and walked out with a little bit more. I did get some Christmas items and stocking stuffers, so let's start with what I headed in for. I was out of the LA's Totally Awesome laundry booster. I love this stuff. I add a scoop to each of our loads of laundry, and I just think it helps kind of like an OxyClean detergent. Now, with cold and flu season here, I always keep these in my car. These are the Good and Clean. It says kills cold and flu virus. I don't know, because I think I might be coming down with something, but it helps. So you get 30 wipes, and these are like household wipes, but it's a small container and it fits perfectly in one of my beverage holders in my car. So this time of the year, I like to get one of these and I wipe off my steering wheel, just anything on the inside of the car if we're out shopping and touching baskets and things like that. I just like to do that. I needed some more toothbrushes, and I was lucky enough to find the Colgate Soft in packs of 2. So you can't beat that deal, 50 cents a toothbrush. I picked up a few of those, and I've told you guys before, I pick up all of our toothpaste at the Dollar Tree because you can get different flavors and tubes, and then that way in the kids' bathroom, they all have their own tube. There's less bickering about anyone taking anyone's toothpaste. So one of the kids really likes AIM, so I got one of those, and then I got this one, sparkling white in cinnamon, and I'm probably going to use that for myself because I thought that sounded fun. All right, we did need some more treats for our hamster, and we looked in the baby aisle and found some of the little puffs. Now these are $1, and I think you can find them at places for 50 cents, but we just wanted to get her some more treats because she was totally out. And here is a quick little thing that I discovered when I was doing my Christmas tree. I buy those little hangers for my ornaments because inevitably you lose them, they fall off. And I like the wire hangers for my ornaments on my Christmas tree because you can kind of wind them around the branches. They're less likely to have ornaments fall off. And I needed a place to store the ones we didn't need this year. So if you guys have any of these little, I think they're called Clique Mates or something like that, they usually sell them in the spring and summer in sets of 2 or 3. I have a hefty stock of these because they're one of my favorite items from the Dollar Tree. And I just put all of our remaining ornament holders in here. And I was so happy because now they won't be in like a plastic bag where they'll just all become tangled. I was able to lay them all in there, and that way next year when I need some, I have them and I know right where they're at. Okay, now it's stocking stuffer time. I did take in my preteen and I had him help me with a few things for my teenagers. So I'll show you first off what we picked up for our teens. I have 2 boys and 1 girl, and so the boys use combs, and there's always sort of a discussion of, is that your comb or my comb? So we did get the mega pack of 12 large combs. He liked this because it was black and gray. They did have a set of all black, and so I thought that was a good idea. Also, this is actually something he picked up for himself. He likes the little Power Stick body spray. And if you have a teenager and you're looking for some stocking stuffers, don't forget about the little things like this. So even if your child doesn't play a sport, they just love to throw these around the house, especially my boys do. So I picked this up, and then he did pick up himself quite a few things, I'm now realizing, now that I look at all this. Something else he picked up that I thought was brilliant is they like to have staplers in their backpack so they can staple any homework together before they turn it in. And they have these really nice miniature staplers, and it comes with 200 staples, so we got that. And then for his sister, he picked up these LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer. I don't know, but it looked like it was up her alley and he totally agreed. They have different colors and this one is pink. It's called Magical Dust and the gold one is called Gold Dust. So I think they're kind of like highlighters, maybe. Let me know if you know. So those are our teen girl purchases there. Something that he thought they would love, and he's right, so I bought a bunch of them, are just an old standby. My kids love gummy bears and my husband loves gummy bears, so we got everyone a pack. And then let's get into some of the things that he bought for himself, and I'll show you some things for littler kids that I bought to give away as little prizes. So he likes white chocolate, and we were able to find the little minis of the Kit Kat in white chocolate, and that's 2.4 ounces. And then he loves this stuff, and it's just an old classic that's come back around, I guess. The fruit stripe gum, and you get 5 packs, so he picked up 2 of those for himself. And then I got a few things, he doesn't know they're for him, and I got a few things for a little in my life. So I was surprised to see something like this. This looks like something you would find on the toy aisle at Target or Walmart for like $4. It's called Stink Bugs. It says load and blast smells. It's got this little stink dispenser, I'm guessing, and it's got these little containers with bugs in them. You get 4 of them. So I picked up a couple of those. They also had some of the magic kits that I had seen someone haul but like a month ago, and I finally found them in my store. I was really happy to find them. So I did pick up 3, and they're all just different magic tricks. They all have different amount of pieces. This one has 14 in it. So that I think is a great little stocking stuffer. Last year we bought our youngest a magic kit from Target, I think, and it was a very big box and it cost a pretty penny, and it was basically a bunch of little things like that stuffed into it. So I like this price tag a lot better. Now on to the things that I picked up for a little person in my life. These little sticky ninjas, you just get to throw them at a wall and they kind of roll down because their feet and hands are sticky. I've never met a kid under 15 that doesn't love these. Also, I think a complete classic, the snake. I remember playing jokes on my siblings with these when I was little, and there's nothing better for a little kid than to get something like this, I think. I think it's a lot of fun. So we picked that up, and we also found, this is definitely something that would be at least $1 or $2 probably at any place like Walmart. It's by Fisher-Price, and they're called Blaze Monster Machines. So I just picked up 2. One is called the Froggy Truck, and one is the Grasshopper Zeg. And they just show you on the back the different ones that they sell. And here's another classic. I think any kid pretty much under 7 would probably completely love to get a mini guitar. And they had a ton of these at my Dollar Tree. I figured they would be sold out this time of year, but I picked one of these up. And then I thought this was a lot of fun. It's just a squishy, it looks like an orange. They had apples and something else, I can't remember, but I thought that was cool. It's just like a really soft squishy that's just a half piece of a fruit there. I think it's supposed to smell, but it doesn't smell like an orange. It actually kind of smells like chocolate. Another thing that I had seen over the summer were these little stuffed animals, and for $1, that's just a perfect little gift, especially for a little person if you're putting together like a little bag. Now on to some Christmas items. This is the point of the year where I'm 90% done with my shopping, and I start to think of containers and bags and things that I still need to get to wrap them in. So we like to give gifts to our teachers, and it's usually a gift card, but I like to wrap them up with like some Hershey's Kisses and things. And they had this little 3-pack of bags that I thought was really, really cute. Sorry for the glare. And this is a wine bottle holder. I'm sure you guys have seen these from the Dollar Tree. It's a little off center now that I look at it, but it's got the little drawstrings right here. And I think I'm actually gonna cut that part off because it's just kind of like burlap. And my daughter has an ornament exchange, so I think it would be fun to wrap the ornament she got in this and just cut that off, and you would never know that it's a wine bottle holder. And it says, believe in the magic of Christmas. I really like these bags, and I tend to be kind of picky about the bags because we reuse them every year. And these I thought were really pretty. So I did pick up all 3. This one is Joy, Peace, and Mary. And that works out perfectly in my life because we have 3 kids, and if they're all getting something similar, there we go. So I just like the patchwork, and they're really neutral. I mean, they have glitter on this side, but the reverse is not. And I just like that it's red and black and beige. Those are kind of my colors. I saw this and thought it was adorable. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I know how I will use this for a gift. They had miniature ones. I think there were 4 sizes of these. And I know that at Target this year, they had something that looked like this in the ornament aisle for $5. And really, you could just pick up the miniature little boxes. They were like this big. Put a ribbon in the corner, and they look just like those vintage inspired ornaments from Target. So that's not why I picked this up. I think I'm gonna fill it with some candy and a gift card for a very special teacher in our life. And I actually, decorating my tree this year, I have a lot of large ornaments that I like to put on first. And I noticed that a lot of them were sparkly, and I really just wanted some plain red, sort of matte colored ornaments. So before they're out of the stores, I picked up 6 of the plain red larger ornaments. I just really like how those look on a tree. And I like to put things like that in first before the kids get out all the smaller ornaments to add to the front of the tree. Another thing for gifting, and I think it's absolutely adorable. And I should have had something here. Let me open it so I can actually show you guys. Is a set of their gift boxes. And when I got home, I realized I actually need to go back to Dollar Tree because I need tissue paper now. But I thought this was a really cute little set of gift boxes. So it's a 2-pack. You get this one in this size with a lid. And then inside, you get this little one. And I thought that was really, really cute. So 2 gift boxes for $1. It's right up my alley. Now I did pick up some signs, but I'm not going to use them in my Christmas decor. I got them because I like the shape and size, and I know I can DIY them in the future. So you may want to be thinking ahead too about things like this. Now this is adorable as it is, the little snow people, but I like the shape of it. And so I thought, let me pick it up while I still can, and I'll probably be using it in a future DIY. Same thing with this one. I really like it. It's cute. I'm already decorated for Christmas, so I'm not going to be putting it out. But it has this sort of wrought looking edge. So if you turn it this way, you've got a very farmhouse looking beginning of something. So I don't have any plans, but I thought I'd pick them up while I still can. I hope you guys are finding everything that you're looking for at the Dollar Tree. You know, I love me a good Dollar Tree shopping trip, so I'll probably be headed in to share another shop with me with you guys soon. And I am gonna sit down and do that Q&A. You guys gave me a lot of good questions under the community tab, so thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I picked up. I think I'm headed back in now. So I just wanna thank you for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.